Worksheet 3 of the chapter Perimeter and Area. In this exercise, you have to study about the area of parallelogram and area of rhombus. Okay. Area of rhombus and parallelogram. सबसे पहले parallelogram होता क्या है? This is a parallelogram. The opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Okay. ये दो साइड्स होती हैं, अपोजिट साइड इक्वल हैं और पैरेलल है. सिमिलरली ये साइड भी इसके इक्वल है एंड पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. दिस इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके. एंड द रोम्बस, all four sides are equal. The rhombus, all four sides are equal. Okay. And the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. ये diagonal 1 है और ये diagonal 2 है. इसमें भी क्या है? ये base of parallelogram and this is the height of parallelogram. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is known as the height or the altitude. Okay. Now the area of parallelogram. Formula: area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Base into height. And area of rhombus, दो फॉर्मूला है, दोनों ही यूज होंगे. एक तो सेम बेस इनटू हाइट बिकॉज rhombus is also a parallelogram, and the other formula is 1/2 product of their diagonals. 1/2 d1 into d2, the product of the diagonals, half of the product. Okay, these are the two formula by which we can find the area of rhombus and parallelogram. Now question number 1 of your worksheet. The one side of a parallelogram is 14 centimeter. The distance from the opposite side is 16.5 centimeter. Find the area of the parallelogram. Simple, one side of the parallelogram means this is the base and distance from the opposite side is height. So simple, you can find the area of parallelogram, base into height. Okay. Now the base of the parallelogram is 14 centimeter and distance means height is 16.5 centimeter. Now area of parallelogram equal to base into height. 14 into 16.5. (231 square centimeter). The unit of area is square centimeter. Now question number 2. Question number 2. A parallelogram has a base is 135 dm and the corresponding height is 6 dm. Find the area of parallelogram in square meter. Okay. Base of parallelogram is 135 dm and the height is 6 dm. It means देखिए 10 dm equal to 1 meter. It means this is the 13.5 meter and height is 0.6 meter because 10 dm equal to 1 meter. The simple area equal to base into height. 13.5 into 0.6. Simple multiplied by 6. 6 5 into 5 33 to 81. And now put the decimal after 1 and 2. 2 decimal place means 8.1 square meter. So you can write the answer 8.1 meter square or the square meter. This is the conversion of the unit. 10 dm equal to 1 meter. Now question number 3. The altitude of a parallelogram corresponding to the base of length 15 centimeter is 18 centimeter. देखिए क्वेश्चन का मतलब है एल्टीट्यूड 18 सेंटीमीटर है और जो बेस है वो 15 है. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके. बेस 15 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट 18. नाउ एरिया सिंपल बेस इनटू हाइट 15 into 18. ठीक है. 270 centimeter square centimeter or the centimeter square. Question number. The height of parallelogram is 3 dm. Area is 240 centimeter square. Find the base of the parallelogram. Height 3 dm. Area 240 centimeter square. Height is 3 dm. 3 dm means 1 dm equal to 10 centimeters, means 30 centimeter. Okay, and area is 240 centimeter square. Then the base, the area equal to base into height. So you can write base equal to area divided by height. 240 by 30. 0 cancel. 3 8 24. It means 8 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the area of rhombus whose one side is 8 centimeter and altitude is 0.6 dm. This is the question number 5. The side of rhombus is 8 cm. 8 cm means base equal to 8 centimeter and altitude means height 0.6 dm. 1 dm equal to 10 centimeter is means 6 centimeter. Now area of rhombus, the formula of area of rhombus is base into height, 8 into 6, 48 square centimeter or the centimeter square. Okay. Question number 6. Find the altitude of rhombus whose area is 320 meter square and side is 5 meter. Okay, same, the altitude of rhombus means height of the rhombus. Okay. The area of the rhombus given that 320 meter square. Okay. And the base equal to 5 meter. Find the altitude of the rhombus means height equal to area divided by base. Sorry, area divided by base. 320 by 5. It means 64 meter. Cancel by 5. 64. Simple questions. Question number 7. The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. The area is 108 centimeter square. Find the base and height. Height of the parallelogram 1/3 of the base. Okay. Let the base is x. Let the base is x. Then height equal to 1/3 of the base means x by 3. The area of parallelogram is 108 centimeter square. Okay. Then the formula of base into height. It means x into x by 3 equal to 108 area. X into x equal to 3 into 108. Okay. Now you can prime factorization of 108. Okay. Cancel by 2. We will get prime factorization of 108 right here. 2, 54. Again 2, 27. And 3 is a 9. Okay. So you can write 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. And see, here is x into x. So here is, this is also x into x. We have to just find the square root. 3 into 3 and 2 into 2. So you can write x equal to by 2 into 3 into 3. It is a 18 centimeter. Yani base equal to 18. Then height equal to 1/3 of the base. 1/3 of the base. It means 6 centimeter. Okay. Question number 8. The area of rhombus is 119 centimeter square and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. Find its altitude. Okay. Area of rhombus 119 centimeter square and the perimeter is 56 centimeter. It means perimeter means all the four sides of rhombus are equal. Therefore, the side equal to 1 by 4 of perimeter. It means 1 by 4 into 56, 14 centimeter. It means the base is 14 centimeter. We have to find the altitude. It means height. The base into height equal to area. Base is 14. We have to find the altitude, height, and area is 119. Now 119 divided by 14. You can cancel by 7. 2. 17 by 2 is 8.5 centimeter. It means the altitude of rhombus is 8.5 centimeter. Now question number 9. One side and corresponding altitude of a parallelogram are 50 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Side 50 and altitude 8. If the other altitude is 4, find the length of other pair of parallel side. Okay. This is a parallelogram. The side is 50 meter and altitude is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now the area of this rhombus parallelogram is base into height. 50 into 8. 400 square centimeter square. Area is 400 centimeter square. The altitude is 4 centimeter. Then find the others. If the altitude is 4, अगर altitude 4 है तो अदर साइड कितनी होगी, ये साइड हमको निकालनी है. तो एरिया 400 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, यानी बेस ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय द हाइट. 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 मीन्स 100 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Area of parallelogram is 625 meter square. Find the length of the sides of parallelogram if altitudes to the corresponding side is 20 meter and 25 meter. The area of parallelogram is 625 meter square. दो एल्टीट्यूड दिए हैं. दो एल्टीट्यूड कैसे होते हैं? एक एल्टीट्यूड इस साइड से आता है और एक एल्टीट्यूड यहां से आ जाएगा. दोनों एल्टीट्यूड दिए हमको ये बेस बताने की, ये बेस बताना है, एक ये बेस बनाना है. तो बेस इंटू हाइट इक्वल टू एरिया. ओके. तो बेस फर्स्ट एल्टीट्यूड इज 20 मीटर. Now the first side, you can write first side is x, then 625 divided by 20. Okay. 31.25 meter. Okay. And the other base side is, suppose it is a y. Other y equal to area divided by altitude. 625 divided by 25. This is the 25 meter. Okay. Finish.